How to create Facebook account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and you will be led to the login portal. Here, tap on the create new account option you see there and then tap on the create new account option again. You will then be required to enter your first name and your last name, so go ahead and enter that and then tap on next. You will further be required to enter your birthday, so go ahead and enter your birthday and tap on next again. Further, choose your gender and then tap on next, and you will then be required to enter your mobile number, or you can also sign up with your email if you want. Once you have entered your email address or your mobile number, tap on next and you will be required to enter a password. Make sure that the password that you are entering meets the password requirement for Facebook. You will finally be required to agree to the terms and conditions of Facebook, so simply tap on the I agree button you see there, and you will further be required to enter the confirmation code sent in your Facebook mobile number or email address that you just entered. So simply tap on the confirmation code text box you see there and enter the confirmation code and tap on next. And with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then your Facebook account will be created successfully. So this was about how you can create a Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.